This is a brand new 2014 Scion TC. It features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and a 6-speed manual transmission. Its top features include a power moonroof, an 8-speaker audio system, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a rear window defroster, a CD player, front side impact airbags, a 4-wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and air conditioning. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Toyota of Irving is located at 1999 West Airport Freeway in Irving. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.